Today, we will walk through how to create a Google Tag Manager account, install code snippets into your Shopify store, and test the integrations. Open Google Tag Manager and click on Create Account. Here, you'll need to enter your account name and a container name. It's crucial to ensure that you select the web option, as we're going to set this up for your website. Once you've entered the details, you'll need to accept the terms of service. After you do this, you'll be presented with a code snippet. This is the code you will use to install Google Tag Manager on your site. Copy this snippet because we'll need it in just a moment. Now it's time to switch over to your Shopify store. From your Shopify admin, navigate to the theme section. Select only the store you're currently using and click on Edit Code for your live theme. This may feel a bit like opening up the hood of your car to take a look at the engine, but don't worry, this is a safe and straightforward process. Just ensure you're editing the correct theme. Next, you'll be working on the theme.liquid file. This is a critical file in your Shopify theme, and we want to add our code here. Locate the opening head tag. This is where we'll be inserting the first snippet we copied earlier. Just paste the code right after the opening head tag. This snippet will enable you to gather important data later. Now, let's grab the second snippet from Google Tag Manager. Similar to how you copied the first snippet, go back to Google Tag Manager and find that second piece of script. This snippet is as important as the first one, so make sure you copy it accurately. With both snippets in hand, return to your Shopify store once more. This time, you'll want to insert the second snippet right after the opening body tag. This way, the tracking starts as soon as your page begins to load. Remember to save your changes. To ensure everything is working as intended, it's now time to put your setup to the test. Use the test field in the Google Tag Manager form. This allows you to check if the snippets are firing correctly. You can think of this as a dress rehearsal before the big performance. You want everything to be perfect before going live. Finally, to confirm everything's functioning correctly, click the preview button and enter your website URL. Once you do this, a Tag Assistant floating box should appear on your site with the message, Tag Assistant Connected. This visual cue confirms that your setup is complete and functioning properly. And that wraps up our tutorial. Remember, the power of tracking and analytics is at your fingertips now. So, go ahead and implement what we've covered today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and happy tracking.